She's trying to save money.
So much for this fucking bullshit, because it's gonna take fucking another fucking like 5 hours to warm up. That's cool. Pay $10 and pay like $5 an hour. What? Actually, I don't even think it's that much. I think it's $2 an hour. Fucking run your heat, or pay me $30 an hour to fucking wait for it to heat up. That's cool. I'm glad everybody goes with their fucking.
Yeah, so this house should be done by September.
Not even. $3 under hard money.